Pioneers, complete your KYC and Mainnet migration. Now, to avoid losing your Pi time is running out to secure your Pi and prepare for Pi's upcoming open network launch in Q1 2025, which will allow you to use Pi with other networks, wallets, and anyone else connected to the Pi Mainnet blockchain. To help prepare the network and accelerate Pi's progress towards reaching open network in 2024, we've enacted the grace period that requires pioneers to complete KYC and Mainnet migration by January 31st, 2025, to avoid forfeiting most of your Pi, other than Pi mined within the rolling window of the last 6 months before your Pi is migrated. To complete your grace period requirements, first go to your Pi mining app and tap Mainnet checklist at the top of your screen to get to the Mainnet checklist. Or tap the hamburger icon on the top left to open up the menu, and then tap Mainnet and then Mainnet checklist. All the steps to complete KYC and Mainnet migration are listed in this Mainnet checklist. Make sure to complete both by January 31st, 2025. Note that in some cases, such as system delays, the grace period timer may pause to give you more time. Read the full announcement for more details. Migrating to Mainnet now also allows you, with certain enclosed network restrictions, to use Pi to transact for goods and services in Pi apps or local commerce before open network. So don't wait. Join the Pi community in building a vibrant, identity-verified, and utility-focused ecosystem. Complete your KYC, migrate, and help drive Pi towards open network. Open network conditions pioneers, we have reached the remarkable achievements of 18 million KYC'd people and 8 million people migrated to Mainnet. PiNetwork will launch open network in the first quarter of 2025. This time frame will allow the network to have more pioneers migrated to Mainnet and included in the open network, thus reducing the gap of the KYC'd and migrated pioneers. It will also support the network in reaching its 10 million migration goal under the open network condition. We have always prioritized accessibility and inclusivity, and therefore, we want to give more pioneers the opportunity to use their Pi once open network launches. More Pi on Mainnet also means more engagement and stability in the ecosystem. For more detailed information on the open network launch, read on for the full announcement. Chengdiao Fan and Nicholas Kokalis, the founders of PiNetwork.